The only reason that you need to learn manipulation and how to manipulate people is to protect yourself from people who are manipulating you. If you've ever thought about a certain situation and about a person, how they are making you feel confused and drained, अगर तुमने खुद को कभी पूछा that why am I suddenly feeling weird and I can't even explain this, situation and certain things that is going on in my head, you suddenly start feeling very confused about how things are going. Congratulations, you have met manipulation. Manipulation is very silent, it's a silent game, and it is not very loudly played. And one thing I have recently read about is अगर तुम गेम खेलो कि ना खेलो, लोग तो गेम खेलने ही वाले. एंड आई ऑलवेज थॉट इट इज बेटर टू प्ले देन टू गेट प्लेड. लास्ट स्टोरी टाइम में यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट कि हाउ अ गाय, literally a jobless man child, manipulated me into thinking that I was crazy and gaslighting me into thinking that I was being a certain way, even though I am 22 and I am very ambitious about my life. I am very confident, and अभी तक जो मैंने सीखा है within my past year is that whenever I see someone do and pull all these stunts, तो मैं उनको तुरंत कट ऑफ कर देती हूँ. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई हैड लर्न हाउ मैनिपुलेशन वर्क्स, ताकि आई कैन प्रोटेक्ट माई सेल्फ from the other people who are experts in that. And once you take that power away, when you know that they are manipulating you, and once you know that they are doing all these things to you, you get to see clearly through them. तुम्हें दिख जाता है कि वो इंसान की intentions क्या है, what are their next steps, वो कैसे plan करने वाले हैं. But if you don't, and if you don't know how this thing works, let me tell you, क्योंकि मैंने इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस किए हैं, I wouldn't want them to go to waste. Since 2025 is ending, I think I should share with you some things that I've learned along the way. And ये जो manipulation tactics है जो ये लोग use करते हैं, they are in text, on call, in friendships, dating, whatever relationship you are in. Once I teach you all these things, you wouldn't want anything else, any book that you want to read, because I have read all these books. And मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ, this is the only video you need to understand how manipulation works and how to avoid it and how to protect yourself from it. So firstly, let's talk about how this thing works in texting. So first thing, when you start to talk to a person via a dating app or via Snapchat, whatever app it is, right? And I'm not victimizing myself. I'm not saying that I have always been manipulated, but I'm also going to teach you how you can manipulate the manipulators to reverse the game. Uno reverse on the manipulator. Recently, I have pulled the same stunt back at them. मैंने उनको खुद को mirror किया, तब they are chasing me. And damn, they will chase you. Why wouldn't they chase you? You are literally the prize. You are literally a queen and a king. Hi kings and queens, my name is Kiwi and welcome back to my channel. So the first thing they do is breadcrumbing. Breadcrumbing means कि तुम्हें इतनी ही information देंगे जितनी तुम्हें चाहिए, and then they will pull back. They will text you just enough to keep you interested. और जब भी तुम disinterest show करना चालू करोगे, they will chase you. They will text you enough to make you feel interested in them, but not enough to make you feel secured about your relationship with them. Maybe they text you once every 12 hours, maybe they text you once every 3 hours, but वो जो texting pattern होगा, the words, I want you to focus on the words, because since you have not met this person yet, or even if you have met this person yet, you do understand the energies over text, right? पता चल ही जाता है जो energy कैसी आती है. That is why the emojis and the exclamation points, everything, that is why the keyboard is been invented. I cannot curse, not on this video. I promised myself not to curse. Hey, you curse so much in your videos. These things usually happen in evening. मेरे साथ तो evening में ही हुई है. I don't think any vampire manipulator जो ऐसा है जो दिन में तुम्हें energy दे रहा है, because they only text you when they get bored. रात को everyone is bored, and even though तुम इतने strong होंगे अपने opinions के लिए, क्या बोलते हैं, boundaries होंगी तुम्हारी, फिर भी they will persuade you to text them, call them. They will text you, I miss you at midnight, and then they will disappear for 3 business days. That is how this works. and you will be wondering कि यार क्या हो गया, why are they disappearing on me suddenly, do they still care about me, have they found someone else to give their attention to. तुम ये सब चीजें सोचोगे, and after they have done ghosting you, they will text you again when you're about to move on. Example, अगर उन्होंने तुमको text किया I miss you and what are you doing at midnight, and you know that this person usually doesn't text पूरे दिन में, and they say that they are too busy, they are working, even though they are jobless बेरोजगार people, but they will always text you at night. और जब वो तुम्हें ये सब बातें बोले ना, after you respond to that by, let's just say after you respond to that by ghosting or blocking, whatever, they will start chasing you and they will always come back when you're about to move on. All the manipulators, they think that they hold the power. उनको इतना ego boost आता है, whatever that is inside them, the narcissistic personality, whatever disorder उनके मन में चल रहा है, you don't require that attention anymore, and that hurts them more than you ghosting them. But for you it's peace. So finally I got you off my mind, I'm feeling light as a feather, finally they are gone, and finally I'm free from the manipulation, and bam, तभी वो लोग वापस आएंगे. By the way, how many of you are Gujarati? Let me know. I want to know तुम लोग कहाँ से ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. सो फर्स्ट टैक्टिक जो होगी ब्रेड क्रमिंग, तुम गोस्ट करके रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे. एंड बेबी गर्ल, इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दीज सिचुएशंस, यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू मी वाया माई email in the bio or via my DMs. I don't have any problem replying to you all, okay? I love talking to you all. The second thing that they do in texting is being dry and then being flirty again, then being dry again and then being flirty again. Usually ये cycle होती है. They'll be dry in the day, flirty in the night, which means they are horny. बस करो Henry. Did you guys watch that show? Did you guys also watch that show when you were younger? I'm like the girl. What is the girl's name? She's iconic. So that is only because they are horny at night and they don't want anything to do with you in the morning. If a man really wants to be with you, if a man wants to build with you, he wouldn't ever in his entire life question your worth. Sorry, make you question your worth. If he's actually in love with you, if he actually likes you, he would never make you question yourself, your confidence, your ability to do stuff, your body, the way you speak, whatever it is. A man, if they pull all this shit, they are a man-child, jobless, berozgar person, and you need to cut them off. If you don't want to cut them off, at least just ghost them. I know I've done that recently and that guy is chasing me. Hi, if you're watching the video, fuck off. And I don't want to be chased by you. So just stop with all the messages. Just stop. पूरे दिन में they'll be like, okay, yeah, what are you doing, and lol, whatever, ये सब dry text भेजेंगे, and रात को they'll be like, what's up, beautiful? How you doing, beautiful? What's up, princess? Stay the fuck away from these people. Any person who is smart enough to lure you inside their cycle would do this. And sometimes I'm very impressed by these manipulators that मैंने जो इतने सारे सालों से अपनी गलतियों से इतना सब कुछ सीखा है, how did I get manipulated by such a gaslighter, man-child, jobless इंसान, right? This makes me wonder. स्टोरी टाइम देख के तुम लोग को सेकेंड हैंड एम्बेरसमेंट तो आ रही होगी ना? इफ यू अगर आ रही है तो यू कैन कमेंट लाइक, मुझे बिल्कुल भी शर्म नहीं आ रही, बिल्कुल भी. It's so embarrassing. Oh my god. So you do not pay attention to that, okay? You do not reply to them with, hi prince, what's up? No, you do not. You do not feed into a horny person's energy unless and until you are the same type of person that they are. If you are also a manipulator who wants to, manipulate stuff and get exactly what they want, maybe you can go for it. I don't have anything against you. It's just don't get played. This video is especially for the soft-hearted people who people play a lot. The third thing that they do is they show fake concern. मतलब झूठा झूठा बोलेंगे कि हाउ आर यू, आई एम कंसर्न्ड अबाउट यू, इवन दो तुमने उनको 2 घंटे से रिप्लाई नहीं दिया होगा, दे विल डबल टेक्स्ट यू एंड दे विल से कि, oh my god, आई एम कंसर्न्ड अबाउट यू, आर यू बिजी, आर यू ओके? यस, आई एम ओके. इट्स जस्ट दैट you are not getting any attention from me, and you're not, it's just that I'm not chasing you. That's why you're just coming to me saying all these things. वरना तुम आते भी नहीं मेरे चैट बॉक्स में. तुम मुझे, they just want attention, they don't want your love. सुनो इस गाने को, सुनो. Charlie Puth should be a bigger artist. सुनो इस गाने को. When they suddenly start caring about you, when you stop giving attention to them, that is the biggest red flag of all. Next thing, I have done this in the last, I have covered this point in the last story time, but if they ever try to push your boundaries, example, this is your boundary and you are playing inside it and he's not supposed to go out, lekin no matter how many times you say no, no matter how many times you explain to that person ki that is not what you want, they will still find a way to erase that boundary and move out of that. And तब उनको तुम stop करोगे and you'll be like, no, I said no about this, I don't want to do this, and then they will again try to move the boundary. बेटा अगर तुमको कभी भी अपनी बाउंड्रीज किसी को एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत पड़ती है या फिर तुम्हें ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है कि दैट इज जस्ट माई बाउंड्री, यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट इट, तुम उसे रिस्पेक्ट करो, इफ यू एवर हैव टू डिमांड रिस्पेक्ट for setting boundaries, that is just not it. That relationship, that friendship, that whatever that is, that person not for you. That is classic manipulation. They will never respect you if you demand respect. Respect is earned, not demanded. Yes, sometimes it is demanded when you are in a higher position of power, but not right now, not over text. And the next point, we shall cover this because last story time mein main bhul gayi thi batana. That guy asked me that we should schedule a weekend getaway to somewhere, you know. And हमने सेकेंड कॉन्वर्जेशन में कौन ये ऐसी बातें करता है कि लेट्स जस्ट गो अवे, लेट्स जस्ट रन अवे, दैट्स जस्ट, वो ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं, राइट? दे वांट यू टू थिंक ऑफ द बिगर पिक्चर बट they are actually not the bigger picture. Wait, they want you to think that they are in your bigger picture, but they are not actually in your bigger picture, and you are also not there in the bigger picture. In fact, there is no picture. There is a blank canvas. There is no picture at all. They just want you to think about me, think about a future with me, but actually I'm not gonna give you that. Actually I'm not gonna plan anything about that. Okay, I asked you out on a date, but I'm actually not gonna plan anything about that. I just want you to think that maybe he asked me out, maybe he's thinking about this stuff, ताकि you will stay addicted to that person, ताकि you will know कि हाँ यार इसने तो इतना मेरे बारे में सोचा है, he is thinking so much about me, he's asked me out, he's asked me for a weekend getaway, he must really like me. No girl, he doesn't like you. He does that and he talks like that with 12 to 13 girls every day, and these girls, they all fall for the shit because some girls are like me, जो उनको लगता है कि हाँ maybe I'm healed after all, but they are not healed at all. I need to breathe. Every time I think that I'm done with that, I'm over that, कोई अलग, every time I give a guy a chance, he proves me wrong. Every time I think a man is man enough, he just proves himself to be a man child. Every time I think that maybe I've got it right, they prove me wrong. I'm exhausted finding love. I'm exhausted doing all this shit by my own. Wherever you are, mister, you have to come find me because I'm done searching for you. This conversation took a wild turn. So the next thing that they do is they will tell you that, they will fake tell you that अगर कोई बंदा तुम्हें बोलता है कि that my parents really like you क्योंकि उन्होंने तुम्हारी photos देखी and they have heard about the way that I talk about you, he's lying. He is lying. He's lying to your face because no guy, कोई बंदा ऐसा बना ही नहीं है that all guys that I know of have mommy issues and they wouldn't ever talk to their mom about you because first of all they're not even comfortable about that. He'll make fake promises of traveling together. He'll all ये जो fake चीजें बोल रहा है, he's just trying to get into your pants and it's just been 2 dates. Okay, it's just been 2 dates. इसका intention पीछे सिर्फ attachment बना के रखना है तुम. He's including you in his personal life but he's actually not. He's just making you addicted to him. He's just, my god, I hate men. Girl, if a future has no date, no plans, अगर वो तुम्हें straight up tickets नहीं भेजता है किसी चीज के, अगर वो तुम्हें straight up बोलता नहीं है that this is the restaurant we're going to, these are the reservations, these are the tickets, whatever, it is not final. Don't believe everything a guy tells you because most of the time, 99.9% of times, guys are lying. They will lie to your face and they'll be like, sorry, I have to cancel the date because I'm going out with my boys. I have to cancel the date because family get together and all that. I understand your game, mister. I do understand your game. I see right through you. The next thing I want to talk about is Hot and Cold. Katy Perry. Just listen to that song. It's so awesome. One day वो लोग इतने सारे messages करेंगे तुम्हें कि hi, what's up? You're so beautiful. Why am I speaking like that? One day they're obsessed. Next day they're gone. Poof. out of thin air. You wouldn't know their whereabouts, you wouldn't know how they are, you wouldn't know anything about them. इसका मेन रीजन ये होता है when they are not consistent with you, या फिर तुम्हें ऐसे लव बॉम्ब कर रहे हैं, इसका रीजन एक ही होता है that they want to make you addicted to that, because humans are addicted to inconsistency. Let's be honest. चीज मिलती है, दूसरे दिन वो चीज तुमसे ली जाती है, now you think why is this thing away, I need to get that thing. That's just how our mind works. And फिर वो चीज तुम्हें वापस थोड़ी थोड़ी मिलती है तो तुम्हें लगता है yes I like this thing, and वो वापस चली जाती है, and then you're craving that thing more. That is their game. ये पूरा चक्रव्यूह है इनका. Just try not to fall into it. The next tactic that they use is they use their exes and they victimize themselves a lot. They'll be like, all my exes are crazy, all the girls that I used to date were like really cheating on me all the time, and they were not at all happy with me, and the relationship was doomed from the start. Still I worked upon her, and मैंने उसके साथ बहुत ही like I tried to fight for her, I used to love her so much. ये सब अगर ट्रॉमा डंप कर रहे हैं इन द स्टार्टिंग फेज, एटलीस्ट यू शुडंट, आई थिंक देयर इज अ बाउंड्री दैट आई सेट फॉर माई सेल्फ इज आई वुडंट ट्रॉमा डंप अपॉन समवन within 3 months of dating. Within 3 months of dating, you don't even know the person fully. Why would you want to tell them your deepest, darkest secrets? Like, why would I tell someone other than the internet that I have been through that, and please don't try to do the same thing with me? Because if you tell them in the starting कि ये सब मेरे साथ हुआ है, ये सब लोगों ने किया है, they will just say okay, इसके साथ ये हुआ है, she has the capacity to handle more, तो मैं इसके साथ और भी गलत करूँगा. It just be so fun. I'm just gonna buy my popcorn right now. That is how they think, भाई. The next thing is they are comparing you to their exes. कि मेरे पास वाली गर्लफ्रेंड्स ऐसा नहीं करती थी, they weren't like this, they used to dress like that, they were all blondes, they were all brunettes. And you just try, if you are a soft-hearted person, you would try to imitate the past girlfriends that he had. If you are a brunette, you would try to get blonde hair because he would be more interested into that. You would be mirroring the exact personality that he wants you to become, but that is not at all healthy, and he will see right through you. That is such desperate behavior. You shouldn't be doing that at all. If he says that his exes are better than you, just tell him to go with them instead of you. These comparisons वो इसलिए कर रहा है ताकि तुम अपने आप को shrink कर सको, या फिर तुम अपने आप को doubt कर सको in some way or the other. Girl, you don't need to change yourself for anyone. I saw this reel on Instagram. The girl was making a smoothie. उसमें XYZ ingredients थे, and she was drinking the smoothie and she was symbolizing herself as a smoothie. And वो बोलती है कि अगर कोई दूसरा इंसान आता है और वो स्मूदी को ट्राई करता है, वो इंसान बोलता है no, I don't like the ingredients in this smoothie, maybe you should not add this ingredient will make the smoothie better. I love myself the way that I am. I love the smoothie, and I love the way the smoothie is. So why would I change my ingredients just to fit someone else's taste buds? If they think your ingredients should be changed, maybe they need new taste buds, not you. You don't need to add new ingredients. You don't need to delete a few ingredients from yours. Your smoothie is perfect. Queen, you are the perfect smoothie. Just clap for yourself. Clap. Once you identify the behaviors, they stop working, and suddenly people treat you better because they know you see right through them. And why do we even want to be with a person who knows how to manipulate situations like that? You don't want to be Lily Aldrin in this situation, to manipulate situations to get exactly what they want. Friendships maybe also, if they are disappearing on you, and especially if you have been a really long time friend of theirs, if they are disappearing on you and they are posting stories with other friends, okay, sure, you have got shiny friends, but if you don't need me in your life, if I don't add any value to your life, then that means I need to cut you off. I literally am going to cut 3 friends off today that I have been knowing since childhood, because first of all, they do not check up on me, they ignore me, they ghost me. I am the dream friend. I am the dream person. They made me doubt myself for a second कि मुझे लगा maybe मैंने ही कुछ किया होगा, maybe I'm not enough, maybe I'm not fulfilling their emotional needs. And I shouldn't have to think about this. And friendships are supposed to fuel you. They're supposed to grow you. Even if they outgrow you, it's fine. But it hurts sometimes. Friendship breakups hurt more than relationship breakups. It hurts, but it's okay. They were not for you. That means they were not for you. एक डोर बंद हुआ, दूसरा डोर खुल गया. That's how life works. पर फ्रेंडशिप्स में या फिर कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में तुम्हें कोई ऐसा बोले कि I have done this much for you, तुम फिर भी मेरे साथ ऐसा कर रहे हो, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया है, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया है, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया है, आई बॉट दिस गिफ्ट फॉर यू, मैंने 1500 रुपए का पेट्रोल पूरा है तुम्हारा. रियली? Friendships are supposed to be gas stations or petrol pumps, not banks. Yes, sometimes okay, you have to remind them or they have to remind you, and that's perfectly healthy also. But अगर वो सारी emotional चीजें जो तुम्हारे साथ किए हैं, I showed up on your birthday, I planned this party for you, but you're not doing this for me, and when you call them out on their bullshit, they'll be like, how dare you speak to me like that? मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये सब किया है, I did this for you, I did that for you, blah blah, फलाना ठिकाना तुम्हारा. Shut up. I think backhanded compliments are also really bad for you because they make you question your worth. और ग्रुप्स में अगर तुम्हें कोई एक फ्रेंड बोल रहा है कि they all dislike you because of this particular reason, they all don't find this attractive in you, so maybe you should stop doing that. If that thing is not bad for your health, example smoking, drinking, whatever, अगर वो तुम्हें और चीज़ों के लिए बोल रहे that they don't like the clothes that you're wearing, we don't like the way that you speak to other people, we don't like the way that you sit, they're telling you that the whole group feels about this. And an intervention is supposed to be with the whole group. If the whole group thinks it's a problematic problem, maybe organize an intervention, but don't go on being the triangulation, don't triangulate the whole situation, don't try to Pythagoras that situation. And when you ask them ki kaun hai who feel about this, they will be shocked, they'll be like, they won't be able to answer you, they'll just say that everyone feels like that. So I just want to say that stay aware and stay very vigilant about these things. It's really effed up that I have to teach people about this, and if any manipulator is watching this video, please get out of my channel. और कौन सी चीजें हुई तुम्हारी लाइफ में that made you think that you are not enough, या फिर they made you confused about certain things? I want to hear about them in the comments or on my email or in my DM. I don't know. If you all are too shy to speak to the camera, maybe I can speak for you. I really feel like you guys love me because either end tak tum log ne video dekha hai, that means you really love me. And if you are new to this channel, sub is a grab. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel if possible. मैं किसी को force नहीं करने वाली. Anyways, bye bye. Stay juicy. Mwah.